Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Technology, and today this video tutorial I will show you guys how to check all your hidden files and folders in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to go to your My Computer, and after that you will get your drives over there. So suppose I want to see all my hidden files and folders under C drive. So say I have to go under C drive, and after that from here menu you have to select here view, and after that you have to select here hidden items. Okay, so now as you can see I am able to see my all the folders, hidden folders and files over there. Another way you can also do, like you have to check this option and you have to go to options over there, and after that click on change folder and search option, and after that you have to go to view, and here you will get one option like show hidden files and folders and drives. So you have to check that option, and after that click on apply, then okay. So now as you can see I'm getting all my hidden file folders and files over there. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.